Alright guys, we install the pre-built DRL boards in my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. One of the best features about this Lighting Trendz is this button right here. And now we are good to go. All right, so we're with Bluetooth, all right? It's unconnected right now. There you go. Nice and quick. Enter it. Bam. Right. All these doodads. Got some major glare here because it's during the day. Well, that's fine. There you go. All these different ones. Thanks for watching. That is the pre-built DRL boards in my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace.